In this video, let me show you how to clear a paper jam on your LaserJet MFP M234sdw. I'll show you a few different places where you can look and find your paper jam and how to fix this error if you're getting an error on your screen here. So the first step to do this is to turn off your printer first of all, and then disconnect it from the power cable here. This is important, and I also suggest you to let the printer rest at least 3 minutes. This printer can get very warm inside and you don't want to put your fingers there and burn yourself. So wait 3 minutes, 5 minutes until it cools down. Then once it's cooled down, let me show you a few different places where you can check for a paper jam. So first of all here, lift this panel, lower this, and disconnect this paper tray. Remove the paper that is still there. So maybe the paper got stuck while it was going in. If nothing is wrong, let's go to the second place where to check. So the next place is to lift this over here, the whole panel, you see, it comes in one piece. This is where your paper comes out, that's the output of the printer. Check to see if there's any stuck paper, take it with your fingers or a tweezers. If not, go down below, remove the toner, there's a handle, pull towards you, and check inside. Now we have a better view of the internals. Sometimes stuff gets stuck here, even a small piece of paper can produce this error. So if you see it, remove it. If not, let's put back the toner and I'll show you another place where to look. So now I have turned this printer. This is the back of the printer, and here, not many people know that, but there's a door, you see, there's a small gap. Put your finger there and pull down, and now you're gonna have access. The paper should pass through here, and sometimes it gets stuck. So take a look. If everything is good, you can close it. If not, remove any paper that is stuck. Once this is done, another place where you can look is under the printer. Okay, be careful. You see over here there's a blue tab. Lift it. This will open. This will be removed. This is your input paper. So let me remove it from here. And when you remove it, you see, you have a better view on this system. And again, maybe the paper got stuck over here. What I like about this printer is that it's very easy to find when you have a paper jam, since almost all panels are removable and quickly. Once you're done, don't forget to connect your printer, turn it on, and the error should be now cleared. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.